Hey, what's going on guys? This is Shubh Sinha, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to download Human Fall Flat Thermal Plaza for free on any PC or Windows. The process is very simple and easy. Everything about the game, specs required, steps to download and install, etc. is explained properly in this video. So watch this video till the end. So without any further ado, let's just begin. Alright, first of all, open any browser and just go to the first link given in the description. You will see this page of my website. You can check out here. It's showing this is by Shubh Sinha and how to download Human Fall Flat Thermal Plaza for free on Windows. And if you guys see any ad on this website, please click on that because that's how I earn basically from this website. Just scroll down to the end, you will find all the details regarding features, specs required and etc. Just find this download Human Fall Flat button and just click on that once. A new tab will get open. Once this page appears, you have to scroll down to find the continue button. Just click on any ad, just see that and come back to that website, and you have to wait for 2-3 seconds and you will get this continue button. Just click on that and again a new tab will get open. You have to wait for another 10 seconds. Guys, don't feel irritated because that's how I can earn from this website. Now, once you get that download link button, click on that and you will be redirected to a Mediafire page. Just hit on download. It is showing the size of this file. Just choose the location where you want to save this file and just download this. In case you want to quit this video from this end, you can do that because I have already given the instructions or steps what to do after downloading, so you can go and read the steps at my website, or I'm going to tell you in this video too. So once this ISO or zip file is downloaded, you have to extract this because I have already downloaded this file in my PC, so I'm going to cancel the download. So just find the ISO file and extract that. When you have both the files, just open the folder, the extracted folder, and just run this setup as administrator. And once you see this kind of installation screen, just select the directory, do settings as your wish and just hit install. Wait for the process to be done. It will hardly take 30 seconds. And just note this install directory because we'll be needing this directory later in this video. Once the installation is done, it will show successfully installed. Just hit on finish, open Plaza folder and copy this human data folder and just go to the installation directory and just paste that folder in this folder. Hit on replace the file in destination if you see this kind of thing. After that, just come out and open this human application and boom guys, you'll have the game right in front of you in your Windows. So that's how you can play this game Human Fall Flat for free on any Windows. Believe me guys, this trick works 100% and you don't have to pay anything for that. So enjoy playing this game, and this game is kind of amazing. So that's it for this video. Like and share this video if you really loved it, and subscribe to my channel for more videos or tutorials, and you can check our website also, because I'm now more active on my website, and there are many more geeks on the website who upload content regularly, so it will be more engaging for you all. So that's it for this one. I will see you in the next one. Peace out.